Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and if you are looking for a great hair clip, maybe for a special occasion, WHAVEL has these silver and gold zircon stones in here, and they're absolutely beautiful. What I love about these is that it is in the shape of a leaf. Besides the fact that these are beautiful, I love the length of them. They're a good size, and they show up in your hair really nicely. They have a classic barrette clip here, and you can take out this middle part if you need to, if you want to be able to fit more hair. But I like having that middle part in because I typically don't need to fit that much hair in my clip, and it just snaps into place. So it's really easy to put on by yourself. This is great for a wedding, prom. I just wear these every day because they're that beautiful. And I love the silver and the gold. You could wear these together. This would be great for an updo. I would not hesitate on these. They will add a touch of elegance to your outfit and you won't be disappointed, but that is just my point of view.